Hello students, today we are going to discuss about Euclid and geometry. We will discuss about postulates, proofs, conditional statements and converse of statement and Euclid postulates. Euclid and geometry. Euclid was a Greek mathematician. He lived in 3rd century before Christian era. Euclid gathered the knowledge of geometry providing at the time and streamlined it. Now postulates. Some self-evident geometrical statements were accepted by all. Euclid called these statements as postulates. Once again, postulates. What do you mean by postulate? Some self-evident geometrical statements. The statements which are self-evident at the time were accepted by all, and Euclid called these statements as postulates. Now theorems. Euclid showed that on the basis of postulates, some property can be proved logically. These properties are called theorems. Now proof. A property is supposed to be true if it can be proved logically. The property is then called a theorem. The logical arguments made to prove the theorem is called its proof. Conditional statements. The statement which can be written in the if-then form are called conditional statement. The part of the statement following if is called the antecedent and the part following then is called the consequent. For example, if a quadrilateral is a rhombus, then its diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Here, antecedent is the statement after if, and the statement after if is a quadrilateral is a rhombus. This statement, a quadrilateral is a rhombus, is called antecedent, and the statement after then is called, here this is then, and the statement after then it's called consequent, and the consequent here is its diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Converse of the statement. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral are perpendicular bisector of each other, then it is a rhombus. Here, the statement after if as antecedent is changed, while the consequent is also changed. Consequent become antecedent and antecedent become consequent. That's why this statement is called converse of the statement. Here the statement and its converse are true. Another example, conditional statement. If a number is prime number, then it is even or odd. The statement after if is antecedent, and here antecedent is a number is prime number, and consequent is it is an even or odd. If we do the converse of the above statement, if a number is even or odd, then it is prime number. Here conditional statement is true, but its converse is false. Euclid's postulates. Some of Euclid's postulates are given below. First, there are infinite lines passing through a point. That means these are the facts which are accepted by all without any opposition. That means first the statement which was accepted by Euclid as his postulate is There are infinite number of lines passing through a point. For example, if there is a point, then we can pass innumerable number of lines from this number. For this, we don't have to give any proof. It is mutually accepted by all. Second, there is one and only one line passing through 2 points. If there are 2 points, first point and second point, then only one line can pass through these 2 points. Third, a circle of given radius can be drawn taking any point as its center. All right angles are congruent with each other. If two interior angles formed on one side of a transversal of two lines add up to less than 2 right angles, then the lines produced in that direction intersect each other. These are 5 postulates of Euclid.